Hi, this is Maggie from dirtfarmerj.com. We love having our own vineyard and growing our own grapes, but one thing we're not real crazy about is that the wasps and the birds end up getting most of our crop. So we've tried bird netting, but anybody who's used bird netting know that it's a pain in the neck. But have I found a great product that I'm going to show you? Stay tuned. Hey, Dirt Farmer Maggie from dirtfarmerj.com. You know, we love having a vineyard and we raise several varieties of grapes. Some of them we juice, some of them we use as table grapes, and some we use to make raisins. Canada's variety is where we get our great raisins, and I am determined that the birds will not have those grapes this year. Like many of you, we've used bird netting for years. Now, bird netting is a pain. It's hard to get onto the branches. It catches on every little twig sticking out. It tears easily. It picks up debris off the ground. It's just awful stuff. And I thought, oh man, I am dreading going and getting that bird netting out again. Well, luckily, our home was on the garden tour a few weeks ago, and we met some new friends, and there are a couple that also have a vineyard. And we started talking about the pains of bird netting and trying to save your harvest. And they said, you know what we did? We couldn't really find bird netting right now. And so what we did is we went to the fabric store and we bought bolts of tulle. Now, some of you may say, tulle? What is tulle? Think bridal veil. It's that stuff that they make wedding veils out of. And so we bought some colored tulle. We bought green and to blend in with the vineyard. And it has been amazing. Let me show you what we did. Well, this is what we've done this year to protect our grapes. This is tulle. It's very inexpensive. We bought a whole bolt of it for $40. It's 9 foot wide. You can drape it down both sides of the grapevines and secure it at the bottom. As you can see, that's what I've done here, just simply using clothespins, which are super cheap and super easy to take on and off. I rolled the tulle together really tightly so that there's no gaps for birds to get inside. And we have had high winds for the last couple of weeks, and this hasn't moved at all. It allows air to pass through to keep the grapes healthy and keeps the birds and wasps out. If you'd like to purchase some of this tulle, check out the link below in the description, and it'll show you exactly how to get a hold of it. If you found this video to be helpful, please like it, and better yet, subscribe to our channel, and check out dirtfarmerj.com for merchandise. We're putting it all on this coming week, so you'll be able to purchase our stuff. And until next time, this is Dirt Farmer Maggie, saving my grapes.